Hey, beautiful babes. It's your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome back to Behind the Scenes. Yes, today I am sharing with y'all my Avon haul. Now, it's really a mini haul, but I just want to let you know what my favorite items are. Starting out with this Moisture Therapy. This is the bonus size Intensive Healing and Repair Body Lotion. Love this, been loving it for years. I got two big whoppers here. And honey, I'm gonna keep myself moisturized with this. And now we have some new items. These are just samples of the VDL Lumalayer Primer and the Primer Fresh. I think there's going to be about 5 items in here, and this is the Satin Veil Primer. So that is those, and I have yet to try these out, so these are new to me. And y'all, I've been looking for a great body lotion, when you shower at night and want to smell good. I think I found it. This Senses, Avon Senses Cozy Vanilla and Coconut Body Lotion. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Smells awesomely good. And I got 2 of those. Y'all, you're gonna love these. Now I know, sign of the times, we're all looking for face mask. I thought I found the right one here. Avon Defense Embossed Face Mask. They only come in orange, but lo and behold, guess what? They're now all sold out. So not onto anything. I have this one. I just wanted to try it out, but I was hoping I could order more if need be. But unfortunately, they're out right now. But I'm going to try it out and let you know what it's all about. But it's cute though, isn't it? Now y'all know your girl is always looking for something to work on these ugly feet with. Now Avon is the go-to place for footworks. This is the deep moisturizing cream. This is going to hydrate the feet, make them all soft and nice, and honey, no more ugly feet. Okay, loving it so much. These are always a great little price, always on sale, so check out the links below. Now talk about moisturizing, you also need to moisturize those lips. I got my favorite three lip balms from Avon. The Dew Kiss, which has always been my favorite, #1, and then I also have the Moisture Therapy Intense Healing Lip Balm. I think that's what they call it, because your girl can't see, but these are for the lips. I got 2 of the Dew Kiss, 2 of the Intensive Healing, and also 2 of the Flavor Savers. Getting ready to keep these lips so kissable. Absolutely. Now these are just the pumps to the Moisture Therapy Lotion. And honey, yes, I do have another one of the moisturizing creams for my feet. But honey, whoa, y'all, I went like throwback right here. Candid, do y'all remember this classic fragrance from Avon? I had to get this. I love this scent just for a daily, smell good kind of thing. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. They've actually redone the little box, the look of the bottle, and I am loving it. Absolutely I am. But anyway, beautiful babes, that is my little mini haul from Avon. And yes, I am an Avon representative. So if you're going to do some shopping, with the links down below, those are my representative links, and yes, I do earn a commission on that, and I love it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it so very much. If you're looking to get into Avon, let's talk about it. I'll be glad to walk through the process with you. Just let me know anything that you need answered, and I'll be glad to do that for you. And beautiful babes, thank you so much for hanging out with me on this video right here at Behind the Scenes with Sweet Angel and Mike. Hey, do me a big favor, drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it and you enjoyed my little haul, and let me know in the comments, why don't you let me know your favorite Avon product. Wow, so many for me, really it is. And beautiful babes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the post notification bell, and that way you will be notified each and every time I upload right here. More to come right here for sure. Y'all know I've been busy on this channel lately, huh? Go ahead and give me a thumbs up for that. Beautiful babes, I'm out of here. I'll see you on the next one. And please do one more favor for me, and that's to share me with your world. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.